The holiday season is here, and I'm sure you want to prepare something special for your loved ones. And what can be better than a hand-painted Christmas card or a gift tag that carry the warmth and magic of your creativity? My name is Aleksandryna, and I can't wait to share the magic of painting Christmas illustrations with you. And don't worry if you are a beginner, we're here to enjoy the process, learn, and most importantly, have fun. In this class, we'll be exploring the beauty of watercolor turning white paper into personalized masterpieces. Imagine the joy your loved ones will feel receiving a hand-painted Christmas card or a beautifully crafted gift tag. So, are you ready to unwrap your creativity and make this holiday season truly special? Join the class, grab your watercolor set, and let's paint the magic of Christmas together. I can't wait to meet you in the class. Until then, keep your brushes ready and your holiday spirit high.